Canopy Practice Management Suite Online Training. What is Canopy Practice Management Suite and why is it important for accounting firms? The Canopy Practice Management Suite is a comprehensive software solution designed to help accounting firms manage their practice more efficiently. It combines various tools to streamline workflows, enhance client management, and improve overall productivity. The suite includes functionalities for tax management, document management, workflow automation, time tracking, invoicing, and team collaboration, all integrated into a single platform. Key features: tax preparation and management. Canopy offers tools for tax filing, tracking deadlines, and managing client tax returns. Document management. It provides a centralized place for storing and organizing client documents, ensuring easy access and security. Task and workflow automation. Canopy automates repetitive tasks, such as tracking progress on tax returns or billing, to save time and reduce errors. Client management. The suite includes features for tracking client communication, preferences, and engagement history, helping firms improve client relationships. Time and billing. Canopy allows for efficient tracking of billable hours, invoicing clients, and managing payments. Collaboration tools. The suite enables team members to collaborate in real time, ensuring that tasks are completed efficiently. Importance for accounting firms. Improved efficiency. By automating key tasks, the suite allows accounting firms to focus on higher value activities, improving productivity. Enhanced client service. With better client management and communication tools, firms can provide a more personalized and responsive service. Streamlined operations. The all-in-one platform reduces the need for multiple software tools, making firm operations more streamlined and reducing administrative overhead. Compliance and accuracy. With built-in tax management and document organization, Canopy helps firms stay compliant and reduce errors, particularly in complex tax environments. Scalability. As firms grow, Canopy can scale to accommodate more clients, team members, and complex workflows, supporting long-term growth. How does Canopy streamline workflow management for CPAs and accountants? Canopy is a cloud-based practice management platform designed to streamline workflow management for CPAs and accountants by offering a suite of tools that enhance efficiency, collaboration, and organization. Here's how Canopy helps in this process. Centralized task management. Canopy allows firms to track all tasks in one central location. CPAs and accountants can create, assign, and monitor tasks for different team members, ensuring everyone is aligned on deadlines and responsibilities. Customizable workflows. The platform offers customizable workflow templates that automate repetitive tasks. This ensures consistency in processes and allows firms to focus more on client work rather than administrative tasks. Document management. Canopy includes a secure, cloud-based document storage system where accountants can upload, organize, and share client documents. This simplifies document retrieval, ensures security, and reduces reliance on paper-based systems. Client communication. The platform offers secure messaging and communication tools, enabling seamless interactions between accountants and clients. This helps in reducing delays caused by back-and-forth emails or phone calls. Time tracking and billing. Canopy allows for automatic time tracking based on activities and tasks, making it easier for CPAs to manage billing and track project progress. It also offers invoicing tools, ensuring accurate billing and timely payments. Collaboration tools. Canopy's collaborative features ensure that team members can work together efficiently, even if they are working remotely or across different time zones. The system allows for real-time updates, feedback, and file sharing. Reporting and analytics. The platform offers detailed reporting and analytics features that provide insights into practice performance, helping CPAs track key metrics like billable hours, client satisfaction, and workflow bottlenecks. What features make Canopy a leader in client management? Canopy is recognized as a leader in client management for several reasons, including comprehensive client data management. Canopy allows organizations to centralize client information in a secure, accessible way. It enables firms to maintain a complete record of client interactions, preferences, and history, which enhances relationship management. Automation of administrative tasks. The platform streamlines routine tasks such as appointment scheduling, billing, and document management. This allows teams to focus on more high-value activities and improve operational efficiency. User-friendly interface. Canopy's intuitive interface ensures that even non-technical users can quickly adapt to the system. This reduces the learning curve and increases adoption rates. Client portal. Canopy offers a robust client portal that allows clients to securely access their financial information, documents, and communications, making interactions more transparent and efficient. Customizable workflows. The platform offers customizable workflows tailored to the specific needs of the firm, whether in accounting, legal, or financial services. This flexibility helps firms manage client relationships in a way that aligns with their unique processes. Advanced reporting and analytics. Canopy provides built-in reporting tools that allow firms to gain insights into client activities, financials, and other key metrics. This helps businesses make data-driven decisions. Collaboration and communication tools. Canopy includes features for internal communication and collaboration, ensuring that teams stay aligned on client-related matters and service delivery. Security and compliance. Canopy is designed with security in mind, ensuring that sensitive client data is protected. It also supports compliance with various industry regulations, which is particularly important in fields like accounting, law, and finance. Integration capabilities. Canopy integrates with other commonly used business tools, such as accounting software and CRM systems. This ensures that client data is synchronized across various platforms and processes. How can you enhance team collaboration with Canopy? Canopy, a platform designed for team collaboration, offers a variety of features to enhance communication, productivity, and overall collaboration within teams. Here are several ways you can enhance team collaboration using Canopy. Centralized communication. Canopy provides a single platform for all communication, reducing reliance on email or fragmented messaging tools. Teams can use chat, video conferencing, and threaded discussions to keep everyone on the same page. Task and project management. Canopy allows teams to organize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress on projects. You can assign responsibilities, monitor milestones, and ensure accountability for each team member. Document sharing and collaboration. Canopy allows you to upload, share, and collaboratively work on documents in real time. This enables teams to seamlessly edit and review files, reducing version control issues and fostering more efficient collaboration. Integration with other tools. Canopy integrates with popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Office, making it easy to sync data, share resources, and streamline workflows across platforms. Feedback and idea sharing. Teams can use Canopy to share ideas, provide feedback on ongoing projects, and have open discussions on various topics, encouraging collaboration and innovation. Team analytics and reporting. Canopy includes tools for monitoring team performance and productivity. This helps managers to track progress, identify bottlenecks, and improve team collaboration by addressing issues proactively. Customizable workflows. Canopy supports customizable workflows tailored to specific team needs. This enables you to automate repetitive tasks, streamline processes, and reduce manual effort, allowing more focus on collaboration and strategic tasks. Unified calendar. A shared team calendar helps coordinate schedules, set reminders for upcoming meetings or deadlines, and ensure that everyone is aligned on important dates. What are the benefits of using Canopy for document management and sharing? Canopy offers several benefits for document management and sharing, making it a valuable tool for businesses and teams. Some key advantages include centralized document storage. Canopy provides a secure, centralized location for storing all documents, making it easier to organize, access, and share files. This reduces the complexity of managing documents across different systems or physical locations. Collaboration. Canopy enables real-time collaboration on documents. Multiple users can work on the same document simultaneously, which enhances teamwork and reduces the need for back-and-forth file exchanges. Version control. Canopy keeps track of document revisions and updates, ensuring that users are always working with the most current version. This also helps prevent version conflicts and errors. Security and compliance. With built-in security features like encryption, user access controls, and audit logs, Canopy ensures that documents are shared securely. It supports compliance with industry regulations, which is essential for businesses handling sensitive information. Access from anywhere. Canopy is typically cloud-based, meaning users can access documents from any device with internet connectivity. This flexibility is especially useful for remote work and distributed teams. Automation and workflow integration. Canopy can integrate with other business applications to automate document workflows. This can streamline processes such as document approvals, signatures, and notifications, saving time and reducing manual errors. Search and retrieval. Advanced search capabilities make it easy to find documents quickly, even in large repositories. Users can search by keywords, metadata, or tags to locate files without having to sift through folders manually. Scalability. As your document management needs grow, Canopy can scale with your business. Whether you're adding more users or handling larger volumes of documents, the platform can accommodate these changes without significant disruptions. Cost effectiveness: by reducing the need for physical storage, printing, and manual document handling, Canopy helps lower operational costs. The efficiency of automated workflows also contributes to time and cost savings. How does Canopy help with task automation and productivity improvement? Canopy, a cloud-based platform, helps improve task automation and productivity in several ways. Automated workflows: Canopy enables the automation of repetitive tasks and business workflows, allowing teams to focus on higher-value activities. By streamlining processes like data entry, reporting, and approvals, employees can reduce manual effort and minimize errors. Task management: it provides a central hub for task tracking, scheduling, and collaboration. Canopy helps organize tasks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines, ensuring smoother project management and preventing missed tasks. Data integration: Canopy integrates with various systems and tools, centralizing data for easy access and automation. By connecting disparate systems, it ensures that the right information is available for task execution, eliminating silos and reducing the need for manual data transfer. Real-time collaboration: Canopy offers tools that facilitate real-time collaboration among teams, allowing them to work together seamlessly. This leads to faster decision-making, better communication, and more efficient completion of tasks. Customizable automation: users can create custom automation workflows specific to their needs. This flexibility ensures that Canopy adapts to the unique processes of a business rather than forcing them to conform to rigid structures. Reporting and analytics: the platform provides automated reporting and analytics tools which can help monitor performance, track productivity metrics, and identify areas for further improvement. Is Canopy secure enough for sensitive client data? Canopy, a platform developed by Ensono, offers secure cloud solutions with features like data encryption, multi-factor authentication, and strong access control policies, which are important for protecting sensitive client data. However, whether it is secure enough for your specific needs depends on various factors, including the following. Encryption: Canopy provides encryption both at rest and in transit, which is essential for protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access. Compliance: Canopy supports compliance with major industry regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC 2, which can be critical for clients handling sensitive or personal data. Access control: Canopy offers role-based access control, RBAC, allowing you to restrict access based on user roles and responsibilities, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access sensitive data. Auditing and monitoring: the platform provides logging and monitoring capabilities to track data access and usage, which helps detect and respond to potential security threats in real time. Third-party assessments: it's essential to review third-party security assessments and certifications to ensure that Canopy meets your organization's specific security standards. Why choose ProExcellency for Canopy Practice Management Suite online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Canopy Practice Management Suite online training offers several advantages. Expert trainers: ProExcellency has a team of highly skilled instructors with deep knowledge of Canopy Practice Management Suite. They provide valuable insights, tips, and practical knowledge to help learners master the software. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all key aspects of Canopy Practice Management Suite, including practice management, billing, workflow automation, reporting, and client management. This ensures learners gain a holistic understanding of the platform. Flexible online learning. ProExcellency offers flexible, self-paced online training that allows you to learn at your convenience, making it easier to balance professional and personal commitments. Hands-on practice. The training emphasizes practical, real-world scenarios, giving participants the chance to apply what they've learned in realistic settings. This helps learners develop the skills needed to use Canopy effectively in their practice. Up-to-date content. The course material is regularly updated to reflect the latest features and updates of Canopy Practice Management Suite, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. Support and mentorship. Learners can access ongoing support from ProExcellency's experts, allowing for personalized guidance throughout the course. Certification. Completing the training may lead to certification, which can enhance your credentials and demonstrate your expertise in using Canopy Practice Management Suite. Positive reputation. ProExcellency is known for its high-quality training programs, with positive feedback from past participants who have successfully implemented their learnings in their practice. Thank you.